So the number one thing that I think automation really provides is the ability to give you more throughput. Throughput is essentially the ability to output more product. And you probably already know that because you're a manufacturer and that's the name of the game, right? How much product can you output? So as we've transitioned through time, through the industrial age, today it is more important to automate than ever. We went from a world where everything was a manual task and it was just a single guy doing a single job, and he didn't do one small thing all day. Maybe he was building a car and he built the car piece by piece by piece, right? And that one guy or a team of guys, right, built this one product. And as we evolved in our manufacturing processes, Henry Ford brought us the assembly line, where it was one person doing one task, and now you have an operator versus a bunch of skilled individuals that are required to do a particular task. That is more and more true every single day, every single year. And as we have processes, for example, maybe it's welding, maybe it's assembly, maybe it's material handling, essentially automation is giving us the ability to do things faster and cheaper, right? So where it may have been one singular individual turned into 10 individuals in an assembly line, now can be converted to 10 robots doing that particular task. Or maybe we can flip it on its head and go back to a singular robot, or maybe 1, 2, 3 robots doing a bunch of different tasks, right? Inside of maybe, let's call it an assembly cell. Now, we can kind of do that same thing whenever we go back to robotics, right? Because those processes that we did in manufacturing and creating an assembly line can be reversed to some degree. Now, the assembly line method is still very, very good for automation and robotics, but especially when a budget is an issue, sometimes it makes sense to bring all those things back into one robot doing more tasks.